Hello. If you tried to open the browser on your screen and it did not take you to the login page, if it gave you an error or if it won't open, you're going to need to uninstall the app and then reinstall it. So I'm going to walk you through how to uninstall the app real quick. You are going to come down here to your Start menu, your Windows Start menu. You're going to click that and you're going to look for Settings. It should look like a little wheel, just like this. Once you are in your settings, you're going to look for apps. In your list, here it is right here. Once you click on apps, you are going to search. Oh, not yet. You're going to have to click on installed apps. Don't search yet. Click on installed apps. Then we search. Search for the California Secure Browser. I don't have it, so you won't see it in mine, but when you find it in your list of apps, you will click the little three dots right here for more options. And then you'll click uninstall. Then you'll follow the steps to reinstall the app, which I'll be showing you shortly.